Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
Lily and the Magical Unicorn. Once upon a time, in a land of colorful rainbows and sparkling rivers, there lived a little fairy named Lily. She was a kind and curious fairy who loved to explore the enchanted forest. One day, while wandering near a glittering waterfall, she stumbled upon a beautiful unicorn named Starshine. Starshine had a shimmering white coat and a golden horn that glowed brightly. She was gentle but sad. "Why do you look so sad, Starshine?" Lily asked. Starshine sighed. "My magical horn has lost its sparkle, and I can't fly to the Rainbow Kingdom anymore." Lily, determined to help her new friend, thought for a moment. "I know! There's a special flower deep in the forest called the moon blossom. Its petals can restore your magic." Together, Lily and Starshine set off on a brave adventure. They crossed sparkling rivers, talked to wise old owls, and finally found the glowing moon blossom hidden in a secret garden. Lily plucked the flower and gently placed it near Starshine's horn. Suddenly, the horn glowed brighter than ever. Starshine's wings appeared, and she soared into the sky. "Thank you, Lily," she called out, flying in circles of joy. "You're welcome, Starshine." Lily laughed, her wings fluttering with excitement. "Let's visit the Rainbow Kingdom together." And so, Lily and Starshine flew high into the clouds, their hearts full of magic and their friendship shining brighter than ever. The end.
Thanks for watching my videos.